Digital Mag presence. Umidigi A11 Tab. Latest Android 11 10.4-inch 2K display. Octacore, 4GB plus 128GB 8000 mAh mega battery. Umidigi A11 Tab. 0.4-inch 2K large full view display. Bring a stunning visual feast. Umidigi A11 Tab is designed with a 10.4-inch screen at 2000 by 1200 FHD resolution, which makes you achieve true theater-like viewing enjoyment. Lightweight and slim, weighing only 527 grams and 7.95 millimeters thickness, Umidigi A11 Tab is easy to carry and hold. Octacore processor MediaTek MT8768. Excellent running speed, Umidigi A11 Tab delivers us the ultimate lag-free performance experience. Up to 2 GHz operating speed. Loaded with a 650 MHz Umidigi A11 graphics chip, A11 Tab gives full play to its professional image processing capabilities. 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM, 4 GB LPDDR4X memory allows you to smoothly switch between apps, supports up to 1 TB micro SD card expansion. 8000 mAh massive battery. Quad speakers, your favorite sound world. 16 MP rear camera with autofocus, record your wonderful daily life. Dual 4G LTE and dual band Wi-Fi. Latest Android 11. Split screen view, dual windows, double fun. Side fingerprint and Face ID, dual unlock, get an instant access. Smart keyboard docking. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.